Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to create ceiling grids quickly in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. First, load the Lisp. Enter Upload, then choose your Lisp and load it. Draw a rectangle. Type C grid to activate the Lisp. Then draw a polyline around the room you want to grid. Enter the grid rotation angle, the width direction grid spacing, and the length direction grid spacing. Finally, you can adjust the ceiling grid location. Now draw a new rectangle and load the second Lisp. Type mullion to activate the Lisp. Then determine how many rows and columns you need.